This is June 16th or 17th, I believe, 2011. We have a problem here with the Marcus Theaters in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. We have gulls starting to build nests and loitering all over the Marcus Theater here. They're causing a huge problem with guests and sanitation. So we have brought in our Falcon Patrol units where we're now assembling them. This involves securing the legs because they fold for transport, setting the stand up, rigging the trolley with the Falcon decoy. We will then put it in operation and displace these birds. First step being to secure the legs. Very simple. Placement of the unit. Stringing the trolley line and suspending the predator bird from the unit, and at that point the unit will be ready to activate. Assembly normally takes about an hour. Once we're on site, setup's easily been simplified and made user-friendly for crews and maintenance people setting up these units to contend with migratory bird problems. This one being here in particular, gulls with about possibly 90 eggs, 30 nests. We're working with the owner here under a lease contract to clear the area. Okay, this is the Falcon Patrol unit now set up and placed on this roof according to where it's going to be the most effective. These units were designed by Great Lakes Avian Pest Control and are under patent. At this stage of assembly now you can see the units are placed. Sandbags are put in position to anchor them in place. The idler trolley end is all set up there. This has only taken us about 15 minutes to get to this point. Now we'll be stringing the line, rigging the bird, putting on the canopy, and we'll be flipping the switch. We're cycling the unit a few times now, the Falcon Patrol unit by Great Lakes Avian Pest Control, manufactured by B&F Machine in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. These are very high quality commercial grade units, by the way. And in putting this in operation, we have gulls now that are already leaving the premises. We can see some of the younger loitering gulls are already moving to buildings adjacent to here. They're very uncomfortable with these predator decoys that we fly out of our units. Only a few birds sitting along the edge of the building. The majority are really stirred up already, so I can see this is successful already. And as it continues to operate, the birds will be diminishing here now. Total setup time was within 1 hour. There's the cycling of our Falcon Patrol unit, which you can see instantly upon cycling displaces all the gulls present on our roof, even in the middle of nesting. There's no young on the roof, but they've just laid eggs, and this unit's so effective, it'll drive them off their nests. Roof areas that are cluttered up with this in conjunction with an egg culling permit. Entire roofs can virtually be cleared in a day. Here we are, July 9th, 2011, Marcus Cinema in Sheboygan, Wisconsin, where we run an abatement program where we had many gulls nesting in many areas on the roof here, making quite a mess and quite a racket. We were contracted to clear this roof. We had approximately 90 eggs here. I would say a few hundred nesting birds with a few hundred more that were loitering, non-nesting birds. So we put our unit up. All the loitering birds were driven out immediately that day, and now we secured an egg culling permit. We conducted one egg culling, and in conjunction with using the egg culling permit and the use of our equipment, we virtually moved the colony, the nesting birds, out of here after one egg culling, one day. Now the unit's maintaining the area and keeping the area clear of gulls reinfesting the area here. This proves to turn, with the use of this equipment, you can actually turn a 2 and 3 year egg culling program into a 1 egg culling program and a 1 day program to move the colony off your problem site. This has been done more than once with this type of equipment now.